Okay, so last class we were doing WordPress. So today I will also continue with that. If you have any questions from the last class, you can ask me. Any questions? If you have
Uh,
any, let me.
if you don't mind, can you do a quick recap type?
Okay, whatever we have done yesterday, I'm just doing a quick recap of it.
Yes, yes.
Just give me a moment. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so here we first the from here we have seen the. This is the edit profile part from where we have seen everything like we can change the color of we can change the theme color like this. You can choose any one of them. Then you can show the toolbar if you want to, and if you want to remove them, you can remove them. The language is default language, obviously English. Then this is the username, and username cannot be changed, and the first name and even the password needs to be changed from the backend. Okay, this is the email, and this is directly all the things about the particular website. So this is the basic one. When you are a user, when you are logging in, these are the profile that you have, which you can edit. So being you can add multiple users from there here. Like you can go to add user and you can add multiple users from here. You can generate the passwords and you can have multiple roles. You can have customers, subscribers, contributor, author, editor, all these things you can have it here, right? Then we have move on to the setting part. Okay, in the setting, we have general. In general, I have shown you about the site title, the tagline. This is the site icon. This is the WordPress URL. This is the official email address, administrative email address, which you can set from your domain name, and later on you can um you can have the subscribers and all these things, like you can select the date format, you can select the time format, and your week will start from Monday, so all these things can be modified from here. Okay, that is the general setting. Then you have the writing. In the writing you will have this is the default post, which is uncategorized. Then default post format is standard. The mail server is this. Login name is this. The password is password. So these are basically which we have not changed. Whatever is there, that has been kept. Okay. This we are seeing from settings. And in the reading here, we can set the home page. Basically, the home page can be set from here, and rest of the things are all okay, fine. Those, so these are the number of posts. You can add up to 10 posts, like per page will show 10 posts and 10 feeds like this. You can just, and if you want to make the changes, you can just click on change and it will get changed. Okay, like this. So then media, as you can set there for dimensions, like how you want them, what you want for thumbnail, what you want for medium size, large size, all these things you can set from here. Permalinks, is there different kind of permalinks that we can see here. Like this is the plain which will only have the numbers. Then there's a day and name which have which have the date and the sample post, month and name. This is the numeric is there, post name is there. So all these things are available. Okay. Then privacy page, I have shown you how to create a privacy page, which is already being now created. See, this page was not there. We have created a privacy page, and or if you have one privacy page, you can select it from here. We have created one privacy page from here, and this is the one, right? This part is clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we are moving on to the settings. This is all. We do not need to do anything else extra. Then we will move on to tools. So in the tools, we will move on to import. So in import, just a minute. So in import, we have just run the WordPress installer to import the documents, and first we have exported the file. So you can export everything like by clicking on download the export file, which will be in XML format. And you can later on, after changing the theme and stuff, you can actually later on import it back by running the WordPress installer. Okay, you can install it and you can run it back. Clear? Okay. Next is so now we will go about the themes. So what is theme? How we can put a logo? All these things we will see. So from appearance, you can go to themes, or from appearance, you can go to customize. So whatever theme is installed, we can customize that particular theme from here. right? Let the page get downloaded. So first is, this is the logo. This is how the page looks like. Okay, if you want to change the theme, you can change it from here. So this is the installed theme. You can, if you want to change the theme, you can change it from here. I'm not changing it right now because I do not have the permission to modify it. I will just show you how things are done. So see, this is the site title which I have shown you there. This is the tagline. Now, if you want to change this site, you can just, you can click on this change image and you can, I will just show you by changing the, you can go to media files. I can choose any of the media. So suppose it was only there. Um, for example, just let me put this and see, select. See, now it will be shown in the, in this tab. Now, if I just publish it, I will change it again. Let me just show you. And if I open it in a new tab, see, this has changed. So, if you need to change the site identity, you can change it from here. Okay. So any changes you do after that, if you just click on publish, automatically the image will change here. Okay. Understood? This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'm going on to the menus. Okay. So there are, there has to be a primary menu. Okay. See, all the primary menus links are being shown here. And if I just click on the primary menu, I hope it will be showing here. Just a minute. See, whatever is being there, see, it is being, actually it was being disabled. Here where the menu appears, if you would like to change, then pick another location. So you can change the location as well. So if I'm moving it out, so it will not show. And if we click onto it, the primary menu will be shown. So as you can see it now, no menus are available here. Okay. Now, if you click onto it, the menus will be visible. Okay, just a moment. So as you can see it here, so we can add or we can remove the menu. For now, I am removing the menu because it is not being shown here. If you publish automatically, it will get published. So primary menu is the menu which shows on the top of the page. So from here, basically, we design the font, how the page will look, the basics. So it will be applicable throughout on all the pages. Okay. So next is, this is the primary menu. Now see, these are some useful links and the menu locations. So you can create a new menu from here. I can also show you how you can create a new menu from other places. So that's it. Then we have different widgets. I will show you where those widgets also from the different pages. And this is the homepage setting. Like your homepage is business coaching, the post is blog. So these things are being shown here and nothing else. And additional CSS, the style sheet that is being added. If you want to add extra style sheet for the pay for your website, you can add them. So this is for your theme that you will be using. Okay. So if you want to change any theme from here, you can use them as per the requirement. Next. So far, any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask me. So far, whatever I have done, if you have any question, you can ask. Megha, Prerna, Kundana, Parinda, Vikrant.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Good.
No.
Victor, you can continue.
Okay. So first thing that we will going to do today is we have to create a page. So how to create a page? The first page we will be creating is a home page. So go add new page. So this is the first page that you can create. So I can write it as home. Okay. Basically, you can download the themes. For now, I am not. Now you can add blocks from here, like you can add a heading, like from here you can add a heading. This is my first page. Can you just give me a moment? I'm getting a call. Just a moment, please.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. So this is what I have done is this is the homepage, this is the title, this is my first page. And next again I will create another. So here you will be start adding the blogs. Okay. Once you are done, you can save it as draft or you can publish. So I will click on publish and publish. So this will get published. I will delete it later for you to understand I am publishing it. Next, if you just press enter, you can have another block. See? So from here you can choose, suppose you want to add some paragraph. So select paragraph and say I will just take some normal. So I will just take some random text. Just copying it and pasting it. So see, I have pasted the text here. Okay. Now again, I will add another block. I will add an image. Are you all getting it, right? I'm just doing the basic.
Yes.
So from here, I will just choose a image and select. So I have just done a basic page, like this is my first page, what is Lorraine Ipsum, so whatever it is, and now I am saving it. So if I want to preview it, this is how the page will look. Yeah, I have not done anything. I have just created pages. I have not given any formatting or anything. So this is how it will look in a very simple way. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now if I want to make it as the home page, what I need to do, I'm just going out from here. You need to go to settings, go to reading, and you have to select from, see, I have created the home page, this is me showing here. Select the home and save it. Suppose this is my home page for you people to understand. I am just making the changes. Now, if I, okay. Now if I just delete and try to open the first page, this is what it will come when the website will be opened. Right? Clear? This is not coming right now. This is coming this. Okay. So
Mm.
let me just change everything because that is not to be done. Okay, so now and I am also deleting the page. So once it is done, you can just delete, move to trash, apply. And later on, it can be deleted from the trash. So far, any questions?
No, ma'am.
All clear? Vikrant, Kanish, Himanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, first thing that we need to do, we have to make basic pages. That is the home page, that is about us page and contact us page. The way I have shown you, you have to create the pages and then you have to create the menu. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt between what is home page and landing page.
Home page is the actual page of the website. And landing page is the page that we generally use for running an advertisement. That is a more target oriented page. Suppose, let me show you an example. Otherwise, it will not be clear. So, suppose I am searching for car insurance. So, if I'm clicking onto this is a sponsored ad, I'm clicking onto Policy Bazaar. This page is basically the landing page. Okay. Now, but Policy Bazaar has its own homepage as well. So if I just copy the Policy Bazaar and open it in a new tab, this is the homepage of Policy Bazaar. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the landing page of that particular ad. So can you understand the difference? It is just the target because I have asked for car insurance. It is only showing the page which is related to car insurance where I need to put my car number, or if I want to, if I brand new car, if I want to go for a new insurance, I have to click here. This is what is all difference between the landing page and the home page. Landing pages are separate single pages used for just a minute. Used for
Ads,
ads and
promotions.
home pages are the main page of the website.
Okay.
Right? All clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next that we are going to understand is about the post. So now we will understand about the plugins. So basically, see, these are the some installed plugins which are being shown here. Okay. So what are plugins? Please search it in the Google and let me know what is a plugin and why we need to use plugin. You do the homework right now and let me know what is plugin, then I will continue with this part. Just go to Google and search what is plugin in WordPress and why it is necessary. And let me know. Okay, so have you, once you have done, let me know. Okay.
New features for the websites.
Yes, new features. And what are the most common used plugins? Let me know that also. Okay. Search it, you will get it.
Easy management, you can activate or deactivate them at any time without affecting your overall website design.
Yes, basically these are the functionalities that is being added here to uh, added here to enhance the website's functional quality. So there are a lot of things that we can do here. I will go one by one. First, you just search and let me know and make a list of the plugins that is mostly used for WordPress. All of you make a list of plugins which are mostly used in the WordPress.
Yes, ma'am.
Have SEO plugin,
Yes.
security plugins, and
Huh.
performance speed plugins.
Okay. Get the names. Get the names.
Okay.
Oh.
Yoast SEO, rank map,
Write it down and then share the screen. Write it down somewhere or in Excel or anywhere in a Word. Write down the names and then share it on the screen, and then it will be easier.
okay.
Word file and then share it to me or show it to me one by one. So yes,
Ma'am,
add WhatsApp. Okay, okay. Let me, Kanish, you have sent. Okay, let me see. Improve Google ranking, SEO, make the website faster, add image sliders, protect the website from hackers, create online payment options, add customer reviews, and backup from website automatically. Okay, fine. I will take yours. Let everybody send it. Then I will compare it with what are being added in our WordPress. Okay. One by one, give it to me. Then we will compare and see what are the commons and what are needs to be added. Okay. So Parinda has given page builder. Okay, Elementor is already there. It is already installed. E-commerce, yes. If you want to go for e-commerce, okay. SEO, either you can go for Yoast SEO or all-in-one SEO, any one of them. Contact form one needed. Security, Akismet is already installed. Fine. Performance, WP Rocket. Okay, mostly used plugins can vary depending on whether you count active installations, total downloads, and specific categories. Fine. Okay. Rest of you also please give one by one. विक्रांत, कनिष्क, कनिष्क ने दे दिया, विक्रांत मिला?
यस मैम, मैं ऑलरेडी कनेक्ट कर रहा था। ये जो वर्ड प्रेस की डेमो सब वेबसाइट का वो पेज आता है, तो मैं इसमें लेकिन ऐड ही कर रहा हूँ।
Okay, okay. Kundan, you have given SEO. Yeah, you can either go for Yoast or you can go for Rank Math. Security plugin, okay. WordFence is good. Speed plugin, WP Rocket also. Parinda has given WP Rocket. Rocket. Then Page Builder Elementary is there. Content plugin, Content Form 7 or WP Forms, fine. Okay. I'm waiting for who else? Megha, Himangshu. If I get two of them, then I'll get back to the website.
Ma'am, I was making Excel sheet.
Send it. They are all sending it like this, so you also send it. Don't need.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So Classic Editor, okay. And Classic Editor is already there with the WordPress. Jetpack,
Okay.
okay. Monster Insight, you know why Monster Insight is used? What is Monster Insight? Who can tell me what is Monster Insight? Why it is used? Megha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it integrates Google Analytics into the WordPress dashboard.
Exactly. So basically, see, I have shown you. I have shown you on your demo on your first those classes. Like Google Analytics is a tool, demo tool, which we have seen, like how a website is performing. The whole thing can be integrated with the website. Like you do not have to open separately a Google dashboard. It is all will be monitored here through Monster Insight. Okay. Okay. So now let me get back to the website. So here Akismet is already there. They are asking to configure it. So there you have to activate sometime. So this is 10 WP 10 web booster. It is to boost the website speed. Okay. You and it is already activated. Then there is some custom field pro WordPress with powerful professional and insight intuitive fields. Akismet is, as I told you, it's already there. So as all-in-one SEO is there and not Yoast SEO. So if you want to install Yoast SEO, it is not activate yet. You can activate it, or you can install another one, delete it, and install another Yoast SEO with that. All-in-one WP migration. So if you want to move your entire WordPress, I was showing you through export and import. Do you remember? You can have a plugin for that as well. See, this is a plugin for exporting and importing your content. Okay. This is another extension. And broken link checker. This is also one of the good ones. So if there's some broken link, it can be checked from here. There's a contact form. There's Elementor and Elementor Pro, but this is a paid one. How far I know. Okay. This is a file transfer. This is a simple mail transfer protocol. This is for mails. Google Analytics by WordPress. This is Monster Insight is installed here. This is another very interesting thing is installed, that is the header and the footer. Okay. So I will suggest something here, that do not add too many plugins which are not being used. Why? Because it makes your website slow. Page Builder, e-commerce is WooCommerce, SEO security profile. After activating the plugins, follow the simple step to connect your Google Analytics account. So yes, that's fine. Okay. So basically, how we can install. So you can click on to add new plugin. Okay, add new plugin. See, there are multiple plugins available here. Suppose WooCommerce, as we were talking about, is it installed? No. Like you can click here as WooCommerce. Just a minute, it is loading. Okay, as you can see, the main problem here is we have to update the WordPress. Then we can install e-commerce, otherwise not. You see, our WordPress version is 6.9.4, but update is available. So once it is being updated, we can add we can install the e-commerce, because this version is not allowing to install this particular version of e-commerce. Okay. So installation is possible only if you update the e-commerce account. So I'm not adding any plugin. So like this, you can also add any Yoast SEO, like Yoast SEO. So like this, you have to search the plugins and install it as and when required. See, same. Okay. Rank Math was, who said Rank Math? So Rank Math is also there. Okay. Now, this is the plugin. Now we will understand about the widgets. So far, if you have any question, you can ask me. Do you have any question related to plugin and everything?
Ma'am, these are the tools of plugin.
These are the different plugins, not tools. These are the plugins which you can add. Like app हम लोग जैसे download करते हैं ना,
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे ही these are different kind of plugins which is available, which you can download as and when required. Download हो जाएगा तो it will be showing inside this in the inside plugins, like install plugins में आएगा all of them. And then you have to activate them, like whichever is not activated, एक था ना not activated. Like this आएगा, then you can click on activate, the thing will get activated. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
if you have to delete, you can first you have to deactivate, then you can delete. Directly you cannot delete.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Appearance के अंदर we will get. Okay, first understand the menu. Okay, so I have shown you the primary menu there, right? I did not activate it, but it was there. So if you want to first create menu, see यहाँ पे you have primary menu, support and useful links. You can create your own menu. Like you can have 5 menus which you can alternately and use it in your website. So if you click on create menu, it will create another menu for you. Suppose I want to create a secondary menu. So I can just add here secondary menu. Okay. Which where I want to display it, I want to display it in place of primary menu. Okay. Clear? 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 Create.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this menu is already showing here, which will be displayed in the primary menu. So first what I need to do, go to primary menu, which was originally the primary menu, and see these are all there in the primary menu, and it is not used as a primary menu. Suppose I have selected the one and I want to display it in the primary menu. I have selected and see nothing is added. It is all blank. Now I can just click on create, adding the links, like there are blogs, there are custom links, there are blog categories, there's pages. So first let me add 2 pages, just these, and add to menu. See, this will be added to menu, and if you can just arrange it like this and just save. I will delete it eventually, just for you to understand. Now I'm refreshing it. See, business coaching and blog. These are available. Those blogs are being shown, whichever is being added here. Clear? I have added the menu. Any confusion? Suppose I want to make it a sub category. So I just can just drag it inside. It will become a part of business catalog. Like it will be showing as a subcategory. See how it will be visible in the dashboard? Sorry, in the browser. Okay. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Just deleting the menu altogether. Now see if this primary menu, I have just deleted the other one. So this primary menu is already there. Now, if I just make it a primary menu, the whole menu will be visible again. Very simple. You just need to create the structure and rest of the things will be available like this. If you want to keep them, you can keep them. If you want to remove them, you can remove them according to your preferences. According to your preferences, you can just do whatever you want to. ठीक है ना? Somebody is not mute. So you can just drag and put as categories and subcategories. These are all clear. Now you have pages category. You have blog post, which you can add in the menu. You have custom links, which you can add in the menu. You can have blog categories, which you can add in the menu. Right? If you have no more questions, I can move on to the rest of the part. So far, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, go to widgets. These are what we call as widgets. What are widgets? Search in Google. What is a widget? Give me the definition, then I will explain. सर्च किया
Ma'am, mini apps.
मिनी
Widgets
ऐप
are mini apps or specific function inside a website, which
अच्छा
performs a specific function inside a website.
अच्छा विजेट्स जैसे प्लगइन्स था प्लगइन्स क्या था प्लगइन्स को बाहर से ऐड करना पड़ता था ओके विजेट्स ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है जैसे मैं आई वांट टू गिव अ फुटर आई वांट टू ऐड ऑल दिस थिंग्स तो ये सब हम विजेट से करते हैं ओके नाउ सी यहाँ पे there are blog categories, footer widget. Footer widgets में क्या क्या है? So these are the available widgets. This is if you want to give widgets in the blog, these are the things you will have in the blog. And footer में अगर add करना है तो these you have navigation menu as support. Where is the website gone? Support. यहाँ पे support में जो menu है that is being shown here. This is the navigation menu. से ये support वाला जो menu है ये यहाँ पे display हो रहा है. Then navigation menu we have another useful links. Useful links. These are being displayed here. Then contact us page is being added. So it is contact info. Link is not there because you cannot, if you click onto it, you will not get the link. We are just giving the headline, phone number and inbox. And newsletter email is there in the it is being added here. Okay, now how you can add them? Suppose I want to add another category, another part here. So suppose I want to add a calendar. Select it where I want it. I want it in the footer. I want it in the blog where I want it. So I want to add it in the footer widget. And then click on add widget. See calendar यहाँ पे आ गया. And I just give calendar as now. Just select यहाँ पे और कॉलम एडेड नहीं है इसीलिए नीचे आ गया ये. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I want to delete, I can just delete it. So it will get removed. ऐसे करके यहाँ से whatever I want to, I can add in the category. These are all available images. Available widgets which are there, which we can add whenever it is required. तो ये shop 3 यहाँ पे available है. एक blog sliders के लिए available है, एक footer widgets है, और another one is for the shop sidebar. Sorry. So ये blog sidebar है. तो यहाँ पे देखो blog, ये blog है. ब्लॉक के साइड में ये सब चीज शो कर रहा है. फर्स्ट इज द सर्च, ठीक है, टाइटल, देन कम्स द आर्काइव. दिस आर द आर्काइव्स. सपोज आई डू नॉट वांट द आर्काइव, आई कैन जस्ट रिमूव देम. देन देयर इज कैटेगरीज, like you are just adding the categories of the blog here, so the categories are being visible. So blogs, ये वाला चीज ना, blog हम जब SEO करेंगे, I will show you the blog part. So how we can write blog, how we can add heading and stuff, that I will be showing in the practical classes of SEO. So the categories are being visible here. Now see. Then there are tags. Okay. Showing different tags. So you can have any categories, you can add anything here. So you can get the tag clouds from here and you can add them. Tag cloud. Okay. The last one that is added is gallery. They have edited the pictures. You can also add different pictures. You can change the pictures and you can add. Any questions? So this is customized according to your preferences. You can have the different types of blog, footers and headers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
अब तक जितना किया सब क्लियर है ना? So हम लोग आज क्या क्या किया? Basically first हम लोग क्या किया? We have seen water plugins, right? Then we have seen how to create pages. कैसे पेजेस को बनाना है. डिजाइन वगैरह तो इवेंचुअली आप लोग कर लेंगे. Next, we have seen how we can make that page as the front page of a website, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we have seen how we can change the menu like heading. जो theme है, theme को हम कैसे manipulate कर सकते हैं. Okay, I think I have not shown you one thing where from we can add the logo. Just a minute. Let me go to that. E-commerce तो added था. यहाँ पे आई हैव कम टू द जनरल ऑप्शंस. अच्छा, थीम ऑप्शंस में आके जनरल में आया. देखो, हियर वी कैन सिलेक्ट द लोगो फॉर आवर वेबसाइट. ठीक है, मेन लोगो, उसका साइज वगैरह, साइट फूटर लोगो भी दिया हुआ है. यू कैन ऐड योर सोशल प्रोफाइल्स फ्रॉम हियर. Whichever social profiling you want, you can add it from. We have come from theme options. We have come it from theme options. Okay. What are the styling options? See, the primary color, secondary color, health coaching, these colors can be changed from here. Topography is the font. What font you want, that can be selected from here. Header and footer is to give, see, a header template. If you want to select some template, no templates are available anyway. So these are basically the header icons. These are the footer styles. The rest is not needed. This is the blog setting, how the blog will come. These are the blog settings. So if you want to change your logo, you have to go to theme options. Theme options में जाके you have to go to general options, and from there you can make the changes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
Basically it is very difficult for you to remember just watching it. अगर आप लोग खुद कर सकते थे with me, then it would have been better.
मैम कर सकते हैं.
Sorry?
मैम आपके साथ, आपकी गाइडेंस के साथ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने अभी वर्ड प्रेस का, मैं आपको लिंक सेंड करता हूँ चैट में.
कहाँ पे सेंड किया?
देख लो. जैसे डेमो वेबसाइट, प्रैक्टिस ऑन ए प्राइवेट डेमो साइट.
हाँ हाँ, पता है पता है. हाँ, तो ये प्रैक्टिस करो. सुनो, हम लोग वी विल ऑल्सो बी डूइंग एसईओ, राइट? एसईओ हम लोग क्या करेंगे? माई थिंग इज दैट वी विल राइट कंटेंट एंड वी विल ट्राई टू पुट इट हियर। पेज बना के हम लोग कंटेंट को यहाँ पे डालेंगे, डूइंग यूजिंग प्रॉपर कीवर्ड्स, गिविंग प्रॉपर टाइटल एंड हेडिंग, सो दोज थिंग्स वी विल बी डूइंग लाइव ऑन द वेबसाइट्स। तो क्या होगा, आपका पेजेस भी रेडी होना शुरू हो जाएगा। जस्ट यस, फाइन। सो एडिट साइट, कैन यू सी माई स्क्रीन ना?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो एक एक करके आप लोग इसको बनाना शुरू कर, अभी नहीं, मेरे साथ ही करना, अब तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन विद द क्लास। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, विक्रांत, आई थिंक यू चे से ये सबको आप एक बार बता देना इसको डाउनलोड करने के लिए, सो दैट वी ऑल कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग इट। ठीक है, ये एक ही थीम यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है 2025 आई थिंक, और कोई टेम्पलेट्स तो नहीं देगा। सो ऐसे करके हम लोग, आई विल शो यू दिस इज अ वेरी इजी वन। सो एक एक करके हम लोग इसको बना देंगे। बहुत सारा चीज नहीं मिलेगा इस पे, बिकॉज दिस इज अ डेमो वेबसाइट, सो यू जस्ट नीड टू डू इट लाइक दिस। यहाँ पे बहुत सारा कुछ होगा नहीं, तो हम लोग कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, हम लोग एक मेनू भी नहीं शो, एक सेकेंड, इसको ऐड ऐड में भी तो और कुछ नहीं आएगा, आएगा ये वाला एक्टिवेट किया है, एस्ट्रा को कर लेना। ओके, डू एस्ट्रा।
ओके मैम।
ओके, एस्ट्रा कर लेना। एंड अपीयरेंस के अंदर मेनू अभी शो नहीं कर रहा है। वी विल स्टार्ट एडिंग द पेजेस वन बाय वन, देन सी व्हाट हैपेंस, एंड वी विल डू दिस। ठीक है, अभी के लिए यहाँ से साइट आइकन वगैरह आप डाल सकते हो, जनरल में साइट आइकन मिल जाएगा, यू कैन सिलेक्ट एंड यूज अ साइट आइकन। आई विल सजेस्ट कि ये वाला, विक्रांत प्लीज टेल देम ऑल्सो हाउ यू कैन डाउनलोड इट, how others can do it, and they will also have it in their web as a demo website and can use it. It's very simple, you can just see in YouTube also how to download.
तो मैम ये वेब ब्राउजर पर ही है, अगर वेब आप उस पर सर्च करेंगे वेब वर्डप्रेस पे, तो
हाँ
उसकी
हाँ,
साइड पर ही अवेलेबल।
साइट पर ये अवेलेबल है। ठीक है, ओके, सो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद दिस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। आप लोग एक काम करना, सिर्फ एक पेज, होम पेज को क्रिएट कर रखिए, क्रिएट कर लेना यहाँ से ऐसे ऐड पेज करके। राइट हियर होम, दैट्स इट, जस्ट क्रिएट होम एंड पब्लिश, और कुछ मत करना भी। ओके, rest of the things we will do when we will be doing it in the class। एक
Okay,
ये
ma'am.
पेज बना के रखना, और थीम्स के अंदर कस्टमाइज में जाके स्टाइल, नेविगेशन, यहाँ पे कुछ पैटर्न्स है, इफ यू वांट यू कैन चूज एनी वन ऑफ देम, अभी के लिए जरूरी नहीं है, दीज आर कॉल्ड कस्टमाइजेशंस। दैट्स इट। प्लगइन ऐड करने का ऑप्शन देगा, देगा। यस, यू कैन इंस्टॉल योर स्टेसियो, ये दो चीज करके रखना, योर स्टेसियो को इंस्टॉल करना और होम पेज बना के रखना, ये दो चीज करके
Okay,
रखना ऑल ऑफ यू। ठीक है,
okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके। So we will be continuing in the next week, right? With the SEO.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we will be doing the SEO, we will be directly doing it on the website. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can end it here. If you have any questions, any doubt, let me know first, please. जो भी आज हम लोग किया ये इंटरेस्टिंग लगा?
Yes, ma'am.
इंटरेस्टिंग तो है बट खुद को करना पड़ेगा, यही है.
Yes, ma'am. खुद से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो थोड़ा बहुत और आइडिया आ जाएगा.
वेबसाइट डेमो में प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, बहुत सारा डेमो में तो आएगा नहीं, होगा नहीं. सो इसीलिए देख लीजिए, क्योंकि बेसिकली ऐसा है नहीं कि आपको सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन जस्ट इंस्ट्रक्ट पीपल टू डू इट ऑल्सो, बट खुद का जानकारी होना जरूरी है. यू नीड टू नो हाउ द थिंग्स वर्क.
Yes,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
ओके.
Sure.
और हम लोग वो WooCommerce से प्रोडक्ट ऐड करना भी देख लेंगे. ठीक है? इन ड्यू कोर्सेज लेट मी नो, विक्रांत एंड एनी वन ऑफ यू जस्ट रिमाइंड मी. ये प्रोडक्ट मैम एक बार प्रोडक्ट ऐड करना भी दिखा देना. ठीक है?
Sure, ma'am. Hmm.
ओके. ओके प्रिया.
Yes, ma'am. And one more thing, कुछ भी अगर असाइनमेंट से रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेश्चन रहता है, कुछ भी डाउट्स है, तो यू कैन आस्क विद दिव्या मैम. तो अभी आपने जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वाला किया फर्स्ट चैप्टर, एंड जो अभी वेब डिजाइन का आई थिंक आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा क्या है कैसा है. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
ठीक है, I'm sharing the code.
Thank you and good night, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.